And we're in front of a pretty interesting premiere here at the Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf, and Caravan Grabber Retro Welt premiere. It's a Ranger based on the Fiat Ducato chassis, installed the Loader AT tires with Delta rims, and one interesting thing where I like it so much, it's inside. Pretty big sitting area that can be transformed in a double bed, and then we have a drop down bed, so probably can sleep 4 people inside. And pretty interesting design with a lot of cabinet space and kitchen that goes all the way back here with 3 flames and dometic fridge that's all the way down here, and it's pretty big, about 90 liters. And then from this side we have the shower toilet unit with a view on the back, so we don't have any garage here. Shower, sink, well, a lot of storage space. But the part most interesting, you have a big storage space right up here and a big cabinet for all your belongings right up there. Well, pretty interesting design based on the Fiat Ducato chassis, as you see. Well, looks like an interesting van, and the actual spec price is 101,995 euros, and this is the actual name of this van. Pretty interesting and completely different from what we saw until now. Well,